So let's begin. I want you to take a comfortable position. Sit comfortably. Yes, take a comfortable position and close your eyes gently. And place both your hands over your chest or rest them with your palms facing upwards, whatever is comfortable for you. So you can rest your palms on your lap facing upward, or you can place both your hands over your chest. Whatever is comfortable for you, take that as a part of your position. Now let's begin this. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Inhale. Hold it for 3 seconds and exhale through your mouth slowly, like you're releasing a sigh of relief. Again, inhale clarity, hold it for 3 seconds and exhale all the heaviness you're feeling through your mouth. One last time, inhale, hold it for 3 seconds and exhale everything that's not yours. Feel your nervous system beginning to soften. Your nervous system is beginning to soften. Now just imagine a waterfall of golden light pouring from the sky above you. Yes, be receptive to the healings. Imagine a waterfall of golden light pouring from the sky above you. It flows through the top of your head, that's a crown. It's coming down to your neck, over your shoulders, arms, heart, your belly, your legs, and down into the earth. This golden waterfall is washing away all the energetic residues, tension from others, old thoughts, digital exhaustion, and all the stuck feelings. Let this golden waterfall wash away all the energetic residue, tension from others, old thoughts, digital exhaustion, and the stuck feelings. Let it cleanse your field with grace. You don't have to fix anything. Just receive the energies. Just receive the energies. And as you receive these energies, now visualize, imagine a glowing white light at the center of your chest, your own divine light. Visualize this glowing white light at the center of your chest, your own divine light. With every inhalation, this white light is growing brighter and brighter. With every inhale, this white light is growing brighter and brighter. And with every exhale, it expands around you, forming a protective, vibrant bubble. With your inhalation, this white light is growing brighter, and with your exhalation, it's expanding around you, forming a protective, vibrant bubble. You are now reset. You are now centered. You are now reset. are now centered. Listen to this. And if you want, you can repeat. I am centered, cleared, and ready to receive. I am centered, cleared, and ready to receive. I am centered, cleared, and ready to receive. One more time. I am centered, cleared, and ready to receive. And as you receive these healings to energize yourself for the coming whole week, we are now going to seal this healing for you right now. Just repeat this. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. Let these words anchor into your energy field like the sacred roots. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. Be receptive to the healing. Let these words anchor into your energy field right now. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. One last time. I am safe, I am seen, I am sovereign. Notice how your breath feels deeper, your mind a little calmer, and your body is more at ease. This shift, even if it is subtle, is your micro miracle. Yes, this is the micro miracle for you. Be receptive to the healings. I thank the divine energies to heal me at all the levels, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Divine healings, divine blessings, divine protection. Divine healings, divine blessings, and divine protection. And gently, I want you to come back to the room, come back to the room, come back to the room. And very slowly, very slowly, very slowly, open your eyes. And go ahead and share in the comments below, what did you release today? What did you feel like in today's healing? Your words may inspire someone else to bring their healings too, to begin their healings too. And we will connect back again with a more powerful healing session to work on your inner power and confidence, to break through the fear, to break through the self-doubt. So until then, take care, keep shining. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, tap on the bell, and come back again tomorrow to listen to yet another powerful healing session. Take care, and I'm proud of you. Bye.